Have you ever had a Philly cheesesteak? They are delicious. They're very American. And what makes them so special is the charred red meat with capsicum and a really yummy cheese sauce. So instead of using beef, which is typical, I'm going to use some kangaroo steaks. These are herb and garlic kangaroo steaks, full of flavour, fantastic on a barbecue. But if you thinly slice it, they make a fantastic substitute for beef. And you can see how lean it is. It's so good for you. So before we get on to that, we need to make our sauce. So into a pot, I'm adding some milk, just a splash. So some cheddar cheese and American style sliced cheese. We're going to add that. And just on that low heat, we're just going to mix that and let that slowly melt away until it's quite gooey. Now, what I've been doing here is just caramelizing some onion and green capsicum. You can see that it's really charred, with good color on it. We want some good color on it. So I'm going to take it out of the pan for a moment. Usually this is done on a big hot grill, but we're going to do it in a pan here on a high heat. Pop that straight back on the heat, high heat, an extra glug of oil. And essentially we're going to stir fry our herb and garlic kangaroo steak. So nice thin pieces, this takes moments to cook. So in it goes, good sizzle. And you don't want to touch it at this stage, just give it a moment to get really caramelized on the bottom. I'm going to toss it and then we can return our capsicum and onion. Okay, the kangaroo is looking good. That took moments just to fry off. In with our capsicum and our onions. And we just want to mix everything together. Season it with some salt. And we are ready to plate up. So I've just toasted a brioche bun here. Instead of mayonnaise, it's all about the cheese. Look at this cheese. It actually looks like mayonnaise. It's so glossy, thick and gooey. Oh, delicious. So a little bit of that on the bottom, and we'll grab our kangaroo pieces with the capsicum, pop that on top, really fill it. This is American style, so quite generous with it on top, and totally optional, but I've got some hot sauce here, so big spoonful of the hot sauce over the top. And this is where it gets really messy. We're going to drizzle loads of the cheese sauce over the top. It's called a Philly cheese after all. Pop the top on, squish that together. Just bring that over to my plate. And a little pepper on the top just to keep it in place. How good does that look? That's my Philly cheese roux.